Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I am going to show you 14 best Character.ai alternatives without Nsfw filter. So number one we have here is Crash on AI. It's one of the best Character AI alternatives users can try. So you can chat with your favorite characters here. Number two, we have here Candy.ai. If you're looking for a deep conversation or connection, exciting role play, you can try this one. Third, we have here is Solgen. It offers free trial for new users. Next, we have PromptChan AI, and this is an alternative character AI for NSFW and allows users to create incredibly realistic AI images and art. Next, we have here is create your dream girlfriend with Dream GF. So this one is a great tool that helps users design and engage in relationship with AI. Another thing is we have here chat app. This one is a good chat service designed to interpret user input and provide human-like responses. Another thing we have here Janitor AI. So it's another platform that is indeed very impressive that can help you have a deep conversation with AI character. Another here we have ChatFi. It's a popular character AI. So it offers deep and knowledgeable conversation. So if you like this type of conversation, try this ChatFi AI. Next we have Pygmalion AI. So another ideal character that AI that can help you create a wonderful and unique conversation. Next, we have your Cookie, a AI powered chat service that allows users to access NSF WAI content and is a great character. Another thing we have is Cleverbot. So this is a good thing and it's a well-known AI that allows users to conduct human-like interactions with a bot. Next, we have your Jasper Chat. So, one of the best AI chat services and also available in the industry as per some online reports. Okay, we have here Tavern AI. This character AI is a good AI that allow users to create AI bots through which they can converse or choose a different chatbot. And then we have here live person create avatars to suit your need. And this one is a platform that empowers users to create, manage, and refine AI bots. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.